Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing fantastic. And today we got in the subscription box. This one comes to us from Hunt Vault. But before we get into it, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you ring the notification bell so you do get notified when I upload new content. And yeah, let's do it. Alright, so Hunt Vault. If you're interested in them, I will have a link to their website down in the description box of this video. These guys do offer a monthly subscription box. They only have one level, and if you just subscribe to their service, it's going to cost you $160 a month. But if you stretch that out to a 12-month commitment, they will drop the price to $150 per month. They do offer free shipping. And this is a veteran-owned company and a family-owned company, and they do offer veteran discounts if you reach out and contact them. And as always, with these subscription boxes, I really do like Hunt Vault. Let's see, I've got my hat, I've got my mug, and I even got a little letter from them up there that they wrote to me, which I very greatly appreciate. And let's see, they do give you a card every month. And this is the May 2022 Elite Collection. Ooh, I see Vortec Optics. Okay, we're gonna, uh-oh. Okay, I'm just gonna pull this out because I see this staring at me. This is a set of Vortex Crossfire HD 10x42 binoculars. Whew, check that out, guys. And I will say I do like Vortec. Actually, right now on my main long gun, I use Vortec optics, and I only shoot up to, I don't go beyond 1,000 yards. I very rarely shoot 1,000 yards. Really, I stay around 800, and the Vortex optic that I have, it wasn't really that expensive, and love it. Just love it. So I'm going to go ahead, even though this is just a pair of binoculars, I'm going to open them up and see what all you get, because like I said, I really do like Vortex products. So looks like we get some straps and something else. Ooh, man, check out the cool carrying bag they come with. Oh, wow, you can do all kinds of stuff with these straps. Oh, it's a harness. This is a harness. Okay. How to attach the strap. Yeah, this is a harness. Check this out, guys. Hopefully that'll come up if you guys want to pause that. But these are the instructions of how you navigate putting this harness together. But on this picture, you see the picture there on the top, it shows like a chest rig, so that if you're out, just doing, I guess, nature watching, bird watching, stuff like that, you can actually, they give you this so it comes, so they can always be right here, so you could get them up, So that's really cool. This is a really cool bag. It has like some mesh on it. Hopefully the mesh will come through so you can see it. And this is, of course, all your attachment points for all the strapping. But it does have some compartment, like a webbing, so for like elastic for a compartment right here, and a compartment right here. Has a very cool, their Vortex logo on the front. And this is feels like a really substantial bag. Let's see. Yeah, I like that. Got some cleaning cloth for the actual binoculars themselves. And yeah, so you guys let me know. These are Crossfire HDs. They are 10x42. And yeah, these are just a really, really nice set of binoculars, man. Much appreciated, Hunt Vault. This is the kind of stuff I like seeing in the subscription boxes. It's stuff like this, because this is going to have utility for anybody that I would think, now this is just my opinion, but anybody that I think is going to subscribe to a service like this would be a very welcomed addition to their supplies. And I already, I'm like most of you guys out there, I already do have a set of binoculars, but getting this set will definitely not go to waste. So, much appreciated. And we got a 2-pack of some claw hanging hooks, which are Hunt from above, 360-degree swivel at any angle. Okay, here's a depiction of these guys on the back. of what you can do with them, and here's what they actually look like. So yeah, and it just seems like they have some Velcro here where you can really hook them to anything, and then they independently will swivel. So yeah, so these are something, you know, that have at least just looking at them from my standpoint, they would have a lot of utility as far as camping would go. So you could makeshift, you know, hang whatever. But what is it? Does it say how much they think they design these weight-wise? Let's see, 10 pounds. Okay, they're designed to support up to 10 pounds of gear and rotate silently to the perfect position. And it says load them up with whatever gear hunt calls. Antlers, binoculars, there you go. Binoculars, there you go. So yeah, each one of these bad boys holds 10 pounds. So this is something that, you know, you can find a utility for sure. And then we got a NAP, N-A-P, standard hex key tool. It says new archery products. So I'm assuming that this is going to have the SAE key sizes, 1/4 up to 5/64. Let's see. Or I should say 1/4 down to 5/64. Let's see. Markings, size markings are on the body. It's S2 steel. So I would just assume, oh, these are random sizes. Sorry about that. I'm assuming that all the sizes, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There's 9 keys in here. And I'm assuming, because I don't really do a lot of archery, that these are going to be sizes that someone who's into archery would need. So yeah, anyway, that's what that is. Just a hex key tool that has all these sizes of hex keys that apparently, hopefully, somebody that's into archery will need. What is this? Adventure game call. A 3-reed split V turkey call. Oh, that's cool. And I sport shoot. I don't really hunt, so you know, having stuff like this is not necessarily something that's in my wheelhouse. But comment section, let me know, guys. Do you have any you know, do you have any exposure to these types of game calls? So yeah, I've got one now, so maybe I need to get some buddies together. I need to go turkey hunting apparently. So I might actually start looking into doing some of that. And then we got a Caldwell Hunter's blind bag. And this is something that will definitely come in handy with me because I do a lot of gun comps and we have a lot of obstacles, a lot of stationary obstacles that we have to shoot from. And, you know, having bags of different kinds, if you're allowed to use bags, you know, stuff like this definitely will not go to waste. And if I start hunting turkeys, I can take this. And it's real simple. It's just, it is made to go over. I'm pretty sure they got a depiction here. Yeah, right, actually right there on the front. That's actually what she does. She just fits over, you know, like a fence board or, you know, whatever. And it just gives you a little rifle groove here, or a rifle mount, sort of a rest, I guess. Yeah, so I have a lot of these bags. I don't have one of these bags, so this is something that will probably not go to waste, hopefully. I'll get my butt out there and start hunting and something like that, so this will not be a waste. And then the last thing we got is two 23 by 35 plain paper targets of an elk. And it says it's realism, replicates real-life hunting scenarios. Great for archery and firearm shooters. Check that out. And these things are pretty big. And there's a depiction of one of the targets, and there are 2 of them in here. And yeah, maybe I'll do a video. I'll take this to the range and I'll put this target up at a couple hundred yards and take some shots at it. And yeah, see if I can take down an elk. So yeah, cool. All right. So Hunt Vault for May 2022 Elite Collection. The card says that our Vortec Optics Crossfire HDs are $200. Keep in mind, on a 12-month commitment, this box will only cost you $150. So already we're knocking the value out the park. The Hunter's Blind bag rest, they value that at $20, which is probably in the ballpark. The split reed turkey call, $12. I don't know about that, but that sounds about what I would probably think something like that would cost. The new archery products hex tool set is $11, which for a hex key set, that's about right. The Hawk Hunter, is that this? Yeah, the little hanging hooks, $10. And then finally, our targets, $6. All right, sounds about good. So on a box that cost us $150 on a 12-month or $160 on a month-to-month, we got what, $220, $230, $240, $250, $260, say $270 on the card of what their estimated value of all these products are. So yeah, guys, let me know what you think in the comment section down below for Hunt Vault on this month. I am really happy. The blind bag will get used. These 2 elk targets will get used. The only thing that I readily do not have an immediate use for is a turkey call. But the good thing about this, I have a lot of friends at the range that do turkey hunt. And if I were feeling in a generous mood, I could actually, gift this to one of my friends who might actually think I'm a better friend than I am, and I can give them something that I wasn't really going to have use for anyway. So in the comment section down below, let me know what you guys think about this box. Do you think it was good? Would you be happy with all these products? Do you have any experience with these products? I would like to know, and I will put a next video up over here. I'll put a subscription button over here, and let me know what you think in the comment section down below. I really do appreciate all of your feedback, all of your comments. I do read them, even if I don't get around to replying to every single comment. I do read them. And with that being said, that's it. That's all I got for you guys. Have a great day. Peace.